Greetings, professors, fellow classmates, and friends. Today, I'm here to do a short introduction of my final year project, the rain-proof water harvesting system. The name itself is very straightforward. It's actually a system to be implemented on the rooftops that is able to harvest rainwater. Of course, many of you have heard of this before. It's very common practice. However, I feel that it's underutilized and should be further taken note of such that more people will actually implement this system in their homes or outside places like working companies, buildings, and such. The problem in the current world is that fresh water's availability is actually declining. Many of y'all might not actually feel it, but however, with the growing population, water scarcity will actually become a major issue in by 2025. This reason is because there are a lot of water in this world. However, only 30% of such water is actually available for consumption only. The remaining 70% are probably contaminated water which is actually not suitable for consumption. Such examples are like ground and surface water, and consuming such water will actually lead to serious health issues like probably cancer, hepatitis, and such. As such, we need to find an alternate solution, which is actually rainwater. Rainwater is actually safe for drinking. As you know, in many countries, actually people do actually drink rainwater directly. However, the only concern is whether the environment, for example, chemicals or toxins in the air that might actually affect the quality of the rainwater. For example, like in Chernobyl and Fukushima, it is obvious it is a radioactive area, and the rainwater in that areas are actually not safe for drinking for obvious reasons. However, other than such environments, most environments in fact are actually able to have non-contaminated rainwater which is actually safe for consumption. And of course, I feel it's underutilized because we are actually wasting a lot of rainwater. It is actually quite funny to say that rainwater, you leave it on the floor, it evaporates and come back again. It's a cycle. However, if there's nothing that you are gonna do about it, then actually rainwater doesn't affect us at all. However, this can be changed if we choose to use rainwater and harvest it through a system that allow us to actually consume the water. Rainproof water harvesting is actually practiced in many countries. Even in local context, Singapore actually have a few rainwater harvesting process. For, for example, water tanks on the top of HDB or even in reservoirs. However, there must be an appropriate treatment process to ensure that actually is totally clean and non-contaminated at all. Of course, there's also a process whereby you need to check whether the rainwater is actually contaminated or not, because due to various issues, you might not actually know whether the rainwater is safe for consumption. However, there must be methods to implement which must be easy for people to adapt in various situations. Of course, it must be highly flexible because in local context, not only do we have high-rise building, we have private landed normal terrace houses, and even have company which is over 50, 60 stories tall, and different scenarios will require different conditions for the system such that you will be able to harvest it effectively. As such, I hope to be able to extend the reach of rainproof water harvesting to more people and more companies, or actually more contractors in fact, such that they will fully utilize the effects of rainwater, and such we will have more fresh water for drinking. That's all. Thank you.